Hello everyone and welcome to the Car Crash Test channel, where we dive into the latest safety results from Euro NCAP crash tests. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison of crash test results between two luxury electric SUVs that are making waves in the market, the 2024 Audi Q6 e-tron and the Mercedes-Benz EQE SUV. Both of these premium EVs have undergone rigorous testing by Euro NCAP, but how do they stack up when it comes to safety? Let's break it down. 1. Frontal offset test. Let's start with the frontal offset test. Both the Audi Q6 e-tron and the Mercedes-Benz EQE SUV had stable passenger compartments during this test, ensuring a solid safety foundation. Both vehicles provided excellent protection for critical body areas, such as the knees and femurs of the driver and front passenger. However, there was a slight difference. The Q6 e-tron and EQE SUV were both deemed somewhat aggressive impact partners, meaning they could potentially cause more damage in a collision with another vehicle. 2. Full-width rigid barrier test. In the full-width rigid barrier test, the Audi Q6 e-tron and the Mercedes-Benz EQE SUV both showed strong protection. The Audi Q6 e-tron had good or adequate protection for all critical body areas of the driver and rear passenger. Similarly, the Mercedes-Benz EQE SUV provided excellent protection for its occupants, with slightly varying results, but overall, both scored highly in this area. Tier 3. Side barrier and side pole impact. When a side barrier test, both vehicles performed outstandingly well, scoring maximum points for protecting critical body areas like the head, chest, and abdomen. For the more severe side pole impact, protection was either good or adequate in both SUVs. Both models also have a countermeasure to mitigate occupant-to-occupant injuries, and the performance in this area was solid. However, the Mercedes-Benz EQE SUV was penalized slightly because Daimler was unable to prove that its center airbag would provide full protection for all occupant sizes. 4. Whiplash protection. Moving on to whiplash protection, both the Audi Q6 e-tron and Mercedes-Benz EQE SUV demonstrated strong results. Their front seats and head restraints performed well in rear-end collision scenarios, and the rear seats were also found to provide good protection. 5. Additional safety features. Both vehicles come equipped with advanced safety technology. The eCall system in each alerts emergency services in the event of a crash, and they also have systems to prevent secondary collisions by automatically applying the brakes after an impact. One key difference in testing showed that the Audi Q6 e-tron's doors and windows could be opened in the event of submersion, while the Mercedes-Benz EQE SUV's windows may not remain functional long enough to allow an escape. In conclusion, both the 2024 Audi Q6 e-tron and the Mercedes-Benz EQE SUV are incredibly safe vehicles, excelling in various crash tests. While they have their slight differences, it's clear that both offer a high level of protection for passengers. The choice between these two luxury electric SUVs will ultimately come down to other factors such as performance, comfort, and personal preference. But rest assured, both are top tier in terms of safety. What did you think of these crash test results? Which crash test comparison would you like us to cover next? Drop your suggestions in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth comparisons.